Okay, so the recording has resumed. So I think I didn't record the last part because I was on mute. So basically, what happened was a factory came. I realized that I could not M1 spam the factory, so I just died instantly. And now I'm going to mastery level up my guys. And plus, I did this mistake. Time to just kill the uh, diamond boss. I'll just do this. I think gas is an elemental. Wait, is it? Quick check. Where's gas? Oh yeah. It's immune to weak attacks. Oh okay. It's a beast and an elemental. So I'll just I think I can kill him. But I think I should like probably level it up like first stage. If it's possible, yes. But the master is pretty low, so alright, come back. Wait, is it? But I don't even have the transformation yet. Wait, someone here? No one. I am so fucking dumb. I got a lot of mastery from the diamond boss. But I forgot to take the quest! Oh well, that wouldn't help. Not that much. Oh, let me just test that F move. 59 mastery already? Pretty good. Now it is trying to fly. Oh my god, how is my sloop still alive? I thought the sharks ate it up. What? Oh, I can control it? It's not a light flight. Okay, my sloop is still alive. That's a very strange and strange thing. Did I say strange? But the masteries are still too high. Like from 50 we doubled it up to 100, and from 100 we doubled it up to 200, and then we added 100. That's pretty high. It's a high tier mythical, so what can I expect? Ooh. Wait, is that a yellow berry? I'll just. Oh, that's a green throat. Okay, I barely just like that. So, I don't know if you can hear me properly, but I am sick. So let me just try. I wish I had the transformation. Oops. I still have that habit to press Z because I used to get transformation till this high and just spam dark step because I was trying to get superhuman, but now I'm just trying to get it to 300 mastery. Okay, let me just. Does the flight deal damage? I'll group them up. I don't know if you can hear the mouse clicks, but it's really satisfying. Stop killing me! I still need some skill on this. I'm not used to this. Plus, I'm a mobile player. It's like second time playing on computer, especially with the gas. Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Why is it so hard? Okay, I'll just skip through the quest. This gas thing deals a lot of knockback, but I didn't see something. What is this? Oh, that's a gold. That's just fine. Wait, mine wings are so nice. More gold chest. Okay, let's check didn't know that. Oh well, I'll just go back to the then I'm done with guessing. And I have a second guess. So we'll just continue my quest. Last NPC. I don't know why it's just 11 seconds, but they can still give some damage to me. I'm 9 levels above them. Oh, okay. And that gave only one. Okay, can these NPCs kill me? No, they can. Much better. So I'll just grind them. Game plan change. We are going to grind the Winter Warriors because they give more XP and more money. Okay. So I think I'll have to grind 40 more levels till I get to... Wait, Cursed Captain spawned? I wonder how much XP I can get from him. I'll just go grind the Cursed Captain. I think why I'm doing this. Why? Okay, new quest unlocked. Kill the Cursed Captain. I wonder if anyone's... Wait! I'm not used to this. I don't know. I had light fruit, but I didn't use it on computer, and now I just ate Buddha for almost 5 months, and now gas. I'm not used to gas. Help me! I'm struggling with the gas. No! I see that yellow blob Buddha rushing over there, but I think I got the hang of it. You just press it, move around, and do not click on the screen. Okay, so that's it. That's it, I think. Yep, I'm sold up. And still a very low level. Wait, does it move with your mouse? That's cool. Whee! Meteorite coming. Wait, this is not the gravity field. This gravity and gas seem very similar. And plus, one thing I learned about the cursed ship is that... Wait, is that a gold chest? I'll get it later. One thing I learned about the cursed ship is that when you die, you respawn at graveyard, which is damn annoying. Okay, I think I made it here. The flight is pretty not that slow. I forgot where he is. Is he over there? I keep on forgetting. I did kill him and get like that hellfire torch or something. Okay, can I kill him? Why is he... What fruit does he even use? What attack does he do? Why am I so bad? What is that? This is my like 3rd time defeating one. First time I got that hellfire torch, and second time I also got the hellfire torch. I don't know what it's used for. I just think it's kind of rare, so... Okay, he is pretty good. So I'm using the Z ability to dodge his attacks. Am I even dealing any damage to him? did kind of defeat him. It did took around 5 minutes. No, not 5 minutes, but I did kill him and didn't get anything. So, okay, that was. How come I didn't get any mastery? I did get a few mastery. So, game plan change. We are going to Forgotten Island to kill the NPCs because they give a lot of mastery. Sorry for screaming into your ears. Sorry. Okay, I think that's the game. I'm just going to pause this part because it's too long. My calculations are indeed correct. I got another skill. I predicted that it will take 6 NPCs because each one of them gives me 3 mastery. So it did. Okay, so that's another match lesson. Let me just try this one. Why does it look like... Wait a second. Oh my god! It looks like sad. It's a short range move. And what about this one? I don't know. It's a long range. Oh, I understand. Now, come here. What if we hold it down? Does it do anything? I do hear some insect like noises, but nothing much. Wanna help me out? Okay, so I have to do this around. I have another method to try. What if I just take this quest? Okay, and then do it. Will it give me more mastery? Like, I did see it once, but I just think I'll just keep on doing this again and again. Okay, that's the game plan. I really have the urge to fight the third keeper, but I know that I'm going to die because I don't have Buddha anymore. I really don't have Buddha anymore. Okay. I did kill a lot of NPCs and got this much. I'll update you when it's 150. Oh wait, someone's coming. Oh. Should I? I mean, he is grinding his sea soldiers though. I think I'll be pretty good. Oh my god. I am going to swear. I am not going to swear. I'm going to swear. I'm not going to swear. He stole 3 of my kills! You effing son of a... What is happening here? Oh, wait a second. This is huge. Fuck is he? I will not say anything. We were not able to reach the goal, but the next video will be grinding mastery on gas till max. Peace.